Good day everyone, this is Teacher K. Here are the top 3 reasons to enroll in Tutors Avenue. First, budget friendly. We believe quality education shouldn't be a financial burden. So we offer flexible payment options to make learning accessible to all. Our budget-friendly fees are structured to be manageable and we provide the options of paying in installments. We are committed to providing high-quality educations without sacrificing your basic needs. Second, proven tutoring approach. Tutors Avenue stands out because we combine proven tutoring approach with high experienced tutors. This means you receive not just instructions but effective result-oriented learning. Third is flexible schedule. We offer flexible scheduling to fit on our students' busy life. We understand that everyone learns differently and at their own pace. That's why we work with you to create a tutoring schedules that accommodate your child's commitments and without disrupting their existing routines. So be part of our learning community. Learn with us and be ahead. See you in our class.